Hello and welcome to my tutorial video on DayZ. I'm going to be using navicat in this video and I'm going to be basically showing you what to do. It might be a few parts, so make sure you watch them to get your full understanding of using navicat. And yeah, so let's get straight on into it. So you have played your server once, I hope, before, and then maybe someone else joined. This is if you're brand new to playing your server. If not, you may already have your server set up. So you want to just play the server, then close it, and then reload the server back up. When you reload the server back up, you will only have this box on the left hand side and the CMD that is opened MySQL. But you can minimize them. You can minimize that one as well, but I like to have that open on the left hand side just in case anyone joins and messes up this video. So we have a DayZ server right here, and we're gonna double hit it, go to HiveMind, and we have a list. To get into this point, you do have to go to connection MySQL, and I will put all the information that is required in these boxes, well, in these bottom boxes, you know, in the description below. You can put your connection name to whatever you want. DayZ server 2, that could be whatever you want, but all these have to be set. So let's cancel that, and then you will get the little DayZ server on the side, well, whatever you've named it. So then once you're into HiveMind and in tables, we're going to go and look at character data. Looking at character data is look complicated, but it's very simple. You will get maybe 2 people here, depending on how many people have actually played your server. But I'm just going to show you a quick tutorial on world space, inventory, and hopefully get to backpacks if we have enough time in this first part. Now, looking at world space, you can see is basically just a bunch of numbers with some brackets on either end. But it's basically your position on the map. I am number 17, that is my character, that is who I play as, and I want to be over by my friend, which is here. So this is my friend. So I'm going to highlight his world space, because basically that's where I want to be. If I go to my character, which is number 17, I'm going to get that and I'm going to paste it. So as you can see, that number is now changed to 103, exactly the same as his. That means that we are both on the exact same place on the map. This could possibly save people hours of running. Yes, running. You do want to, when doing this, be careful when you do spawn in. The first person wants to spawn in, they want to move out the way, and then the second person wants to spawn in. It's just how it works, because it gets a bit dodgy when it's doing it, but it's perfectly fine. So now we're going to look at inventory, now that we've looked at teleporting. This use no scripts or anything, no bypass, that works fine. Inventory. As you can see here, a few people don't really have main items, so we're going to give them one. We have a sniper right here. You want to copy where the quotation marks on either end and the BFLRR scoped. So we're going to right click, copy that. This person doesn't have any weapon. What a shame. So we're just going to paste it in. Right there. As you can see now, we've got close match on either side. I put the comma in. You always need a comma between items. And so that person now has a sniper. That sniper it actually isn't available inside DayZ. It's a non-banned weapon. I might put a few in the description for you guys. But we'll see. So, as you can see, the inventory right there, that is all sorted. And that is basically what you've got to do. You just pick the item you want out of, you know, a big list. it could be item compass, item knife, binocular. You can also find them on the forums, but I will send a link in the description for you to go to, and we'll give you a massive complete list. It's brilliant. So yeah, that's basically what you really do. If you want any more information about that, just message me. We're going to move on to backpacks now, because I think backpacks are the most important, because you can fit more things in. You can fit like 3 weapons in. So I'm going to look at mine. As you can see, I've got 2 food stakes right here. Now basically this number right here is the quantity. So these numbers are the quantity of what's in the backpack. If I want another cooked meat, I can copy mine, copy, and I'm just going to paste it at the end. Don't forget, you need to put the comma in. You always need to comma between items. And then I'm going to go right to the end. If you look at the end, we have a 1,1 right there. I'm going to put a comma and I'm going to put a 1. This indicates how many places that food spot has taken up. Same with like in this one right here, we item blood bag, and it has taken up 5 spaces. They go in order basically. So I could change that to 2, and there will be 2 of them in there. We're going to look also now, after we've done that, which hopefully you've all got that correct. I'm getting through this as quickly as possible. We're going to look at medical. Now medical is quite easy to do, because basically when you're not damaged, you can copy the person's damage, which is 12,000. I always make a backup of this code, because not always is it going to be there in this part. But as you can see, I'm on 10,000, nearly 11,000 blood. I'm going to just get mine and paste it in. As you can see, it's now changed. Let's change this one as well. As you can see, they have changed now to 12,000, and there has been no hit points. So I am completely healthy. We're going to look over here at... we don't need to look at any of these. We've got humanity, so we don't need to look at any of these. You don't really want... Well, if you want to cheat, you can type in you know, whatever number you want here. So this person has got 0. I can type in 900, and they now have 900 zombie kills on the leaderboard. But you want to really just do everything yourself. We've also got headshots and distance on foot, but you don't need to change any of these really. They can all stay the same. The current state can stay the same, and the players that you have killed, the murders and the bandit kills. But we're going to look right at the end here, and we have different things like rocket, soldier 1, bandit 1, rocket, sniper 1. Probably wondering, wow. Basically, I'll put the links in the description, but it's very easy to do. You want your quotation mark at the start, and I'm going to have Rocket's personal skin. So Rocket underscore Daisy, and I'm going to put the quotation mark right at the end. So that now I have Rocket's personal skin. You can try that out if you want the personal skin of Rocket. It's very good. And we've also got Sniper 1. That's basically a ghillie suit. We've got a ghillie suit, we've got Camo 1 underscore Daisy, or whatever. And that is basically your tutorial for character. Sorry it's such a rush. I just had to get through everything. If you need any more information, I will tell you. Just send me a message or put a comment in this video. So thanks for watching, guys. Tune in for part 2, where I'll be going through vehicles and how to spawn in more vehicles, or even spawn a vehicle on your position of your player, so you don't have to go searching for them. So thanks for watching once again, and tune in for part 2.